Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn an important topics. What is workers training? What is the worker training program? Many new jobs are created by the expansion of the organization. It requires men for different jobs. Okay. To satisfy the need of the job, often men working inside the organization are trained to carry out the work. Okay. Training involves giving information and explanation to a worker with respect to a particular subject matter and requiring a practical demonstration that the workers has acquired the knowledge, the workers has gained the knowledge and skill related to the subject matter. Okay. Workers are the actual manpower who works on the machines for production. It is clear, my student, what is workers training? Okay, thank you.